All right, my extra AMS has arrived. Again, invested into this x1c. Went through the 3 printers, the M5, the P1P, now the x1c. I'm very happy with. I'm stuck with it. But when I bought the extra AMS, or the hub, which is right there, I'll have to figure out how to put it all together. But they come with clear spoolers, or spoolless, or reels, or whatever you want to call it. And I was not informed, according to the YouTube videos, you only see one of these. You don't see 4 of them. So there are 4 here. There's another one there, another one there, another one there, which is cool. Great. Thank you. But I already ordered 4 more. Because on a YouTube video, you only see someone opening this up, unboxing, and there's only one of these. But so that's why my thought, oh, there's only one or none. I might as well order some. And these are 4 new ones. So can I return these? This is like, what was that, like $11? So it's $40, almost like $50 with tax. Or keep it, and then I'm going to have to probably get another AMS to make it equal to this. But then the problem is the other AMS is probably going to have 4 more spools or reels. All right. We appreciate any help. Thanks.